squishy tag. So I tag everyone who watches this to do it. And let's just get started.
So the first one is your favorite deco squishy. And I had this knockoff, well, my friend had this knockoff Mindy, the coffee kitty. And the head fell out, so he made it really cute and he gave it to me and we traded. So the head does come out and it's really cute, super squishy. And then the mug is kind of hollowed out but not all the way. On this side there's a little yellow and a green, and there are 2 paw prints. There's pink and orange, and there's a paw print, and the whole thing has blue marble all over it. So there's the mug, and then it just sits in there like that. So the second one is your favorite squishy to squish, and my favorite squishy to squish is this Hello Kitty Squish Me Series Mo. I don't really know what it's called. Really stupid hair. But it's this ice cream cone. And I like this one because it doesn't take forever to rise. So I can squish it a lot. I love this one.
Sorry, I said Desert Island Squishy, but I didn't pick it up.
Your squishy that you would take with you wherever. This hair keeps popping out. But my Desert Island squishy would be this Hello Kitty Sanrio ice cream dish. There's a little Hello Kitty and a chocolate scoop. Next is your favorite Sanrio squishy of any Sanrio. Rillakuma's Sanrio, right? I think. So like Rillakuma, Hello Kitty, whatever. And my favorite Sanrio squishy is this Hello Kitty donut with the teal frosting and the little chocolate bow. And it has like these little pearl beads. But I love this one. I like squishing the back a lot. And I don't know if it'll focus, but it does say Sanrio down there. Yeah. So this is my favorite Sanrio squishy. Number 5 is your favorite squishy that was a gift. So my favorite squishy that was a gift is this Mini Millie the Whale. And she is so cute. Smells so good. She kind of smells like artificial mango or something. She is not defected at all yet, and I hope it stays like that. So I love my Mini Millie.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, no, I messed up. It's supposed to be 5, but I said 6, sorry.
Number 6 is your favorite common squishy, and my favorite common squishy is this giant rabbit head. It's so adorable, and it smells pretty good, like the normal common squishy smell, like that sweet kind of candy smell. But I love to squish the ears, and for a common squishy, this is really soft and slow rising and big. But yeah. Last but certainly not least is your favorite squishy of all time. And my favorite squishy is... Can anyone guess? You probably know if you watch my other videos. got this is my Primo Jumbo Bear Pancake. Remember to bring your huge slime. Oh, that's my friend Josie and Emma texting me. They want me to bring my slime smoothie to school. So that was my squishy tag that I made up, and I'm calling it the Momo squishy tag because my family calls me Momo sometimes. And so that was the Momo squishy tag, and I tag everyone who watched this to do the Momo squishy tag. And what was I gonna say? Oh, like and subscribe for more squishy tags or more squishy videos like this if you want. And as always, I love you guys. Bye.